In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install Google Cam on Poco C75. Tap on Google, search here GCam APK, tap on this website, scroll down, tap on download now, tap on download Google Camera, simply scroll down. Here you can see for Xiaomi and Asus phones, come down. Here you will see the for Xiaomi and Asus phone section. In this section, come down, download the Xiaomi version, tap on download. File is downloading, simply tap on details. APK file is downloaded, now simply tap on it, tap on install, tap on open, allow the access, tap on done. Now let's take a photo. I have captured one photo, I will simply open it. Here is it. So this is how you can install Google Cam on Poco C75. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.